So this is the day of leaving for our trip. We're leaving tonight at, well, I guess it'd be Sunday morning. It's Saturday right now. We're leaving Sunday morning at 3 a.m. when Natalie gets off work. I've got a ton of stuff to do. I've got to pack up some of my last minute stuff, you know, like clothes, pillows, toothbrush, like toiletry stuff that you'd use the day before. I've got to do a quick little maintenance check on the 4Runner, check small stuff like tire pressure and stuff like that. I've got all the major stuff packed, just all my small bags and stuff that I got to throw in, like clothes and stuff like that. So I'm going to start working on that until Natalie gets home, and when she gets home, she should basically just be able to throw in a bag and we are taking off. So it's going to be a long trip from here to the Telluride area. We've got an Airbnb. We're just going to bomb all the way to Colorado from Oklahoma City. So off I go to pack. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see me or not. It's very dark in this car. But right now I'm gonna go wash the 4Runner. Okay, that's good for now. But check out my suspension here. It's not the best view, but I'm gonna bounce on the back. But I'm riding on bump stops right now, and I'm gonna do that for about 2,500 miles and see how it goes, because I'm leaving in a few hours and don't have time to do anything about it. So here we go. You guys will have a fairly clean window view outside, so I want to get that done real quick. It's not a huge priority. I got more stuff to pack, so see you later. We are about to walk out the door. We probably forgot something super important, but that's okay.
We always do. These
Yep.
are necessary.
I know. They were in our last video. This lens is super dirty.
Okay. Cleaned out our fridge too before we went, because who wants to come back to rotted eggs and pea meat?
Yes. So, I think we are ready to go. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Let's do it.
Let's do it! I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing.
We are off, and in 13 short hours, we will be there. All right, we've made it to Amarillo, and we're gonna stop and eat McDonald's. We have, it's all dim. It says 9 hours and 30 minutes. That's what it says. And it's 7:03 a.m. So we're gonna go eat for about 30 minutes and continue, and hopefully get to Colorado by 5. I'm counting some stops. Map says 15:33, so I'm hoping 1700-ish. So 5 o'clock is our goal.
That's so far
in our
away.
Airbnb. For
That's
now
so
we'll
far.
eat. I haven't recorded anything because it's dark out, and I'm sure this is super grainy anyways with the...
I thought you meant you weren't recording this right now.
Oh.
Okay.
Natalie needs to sleep. All right, off to eat. Okay. I think this has got us. We just got.
Record.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
We just got to Albuquerque, and we're gonna eat at Chipotle, and we've got 5 hours left to get to Telluride.
We wanted Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday.
Yep. And you can't see it really. But, well, so it's super pretty. Kind of see the mountains.
It's really pretty. Can you imagine if this was your life? You just lived here and you just had mountains in the back of wherever you ate.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if we've been talking to the camera this whole time. All zoomed in. Yeah, we're gonna go eat and get out and stretch because I'm tired.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, we are done with today, and we are tired. And even the camera's tired, and the battery's dying, and it may be dead right now. I don't know, but we're gonna go die and go to bed, and then tomorrow we'll do four-wheeling on the
Black Bear Pass.
huh?
Black Bear Pass.
Yes, that was one of them. What am I trying to say? Something Alpine Loop. Yeah, several trails from the Alpine Loop tomorrow, and then the next day.
You're so tired you can't even talk.
I know, I'm tired, but we're done. Today was fun. I'm not complaining.
We've been driving since, well, he's been driving since 2:45 this morning.
Yeah, and it is now. Well, we got back at about 7. We got here at about 7 p.m.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah. So 2:45 a.m. to 7 p.m.
He's been up over 24 hours.
Yep. So camera's probably dead by now, so I'm just going to say we're good. We're done.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. Here's our cabin. We forgot to even record it when we came in.
Because of the travesty.
Yeah, we came in and we thought that the heater didn't work because it wasn't turned on downstairs. So we have this going because it's freezing in here because the last person turned it completely off, but we're getting there. Let's see. We're at 57 now.
That's 7 degrees warmer than it was.
Yeah.
Moving on up.
So that's where we are.
Hey!
We're in our cabin.
Yay! After 13 and a half hours of driving.
Yeah, we're in Telluride. And now we're about to go eat pizza. Where's it? What is it?
I see. It is called, what? That was really close to my face. Ew. Brown dog pizza.
That was so close to brown bear.
It was! Right there.
So now we're going to go eat.
And then we're going to come back and sleep.